Hello, it is I, Rubbish Ruby, coming back at you. Don't know why I said that again. In my last video, I was like, why did I say that? I'm back with a new YouTube video. This is get ready with me. I mean, that's what this one I'm actually going out and doing something. And I feel like I have a lot to rant about. Yes, hi. Like, comment, subscribe. I forgot to say all that stuff, please. It really helps a lot. Today's look, I kind of want to go for like I want to go for a more relaxed one, so I feel like this might be a... What? Today's look, I want to do a more chill look. I don't really feel like doing eyelashes today. I want like I'm cool and I look like a cool guy, but also like I'm also chill and vibing and like I'm really cool, you know? Those are the vibes I'm going for, but we'll see how that works out, I guess. Today was kind of wild. What's happened since my last video? I feel like a lot of nothing. Currently, I'm dealing with my new cat, Pepperoni. She is a little evil girl. No, she's just scared. We took her to the vet today for her like checkup and shots. No, she was not gonna get shots today. She acted like she was absolutely terrified, so we couldn't give her a shot because, you know, like forcing her to get a shot when she's scared and like trying to actively run away isn't gonna do anything, you know? So we were given some meds to give to her and we're bringing her back in. Today's Saturday. We're bringing her back on Monday. She's also much older than they thought she was gonna be or whatever, so she's like gonna be in heat soon, or it looks like she could be in heat soon. So we have to get her spayed now on Tuesday. So there's so many things that we have to pay for. It's ridiculous. And like I get it, but I feel like it's so expensive. It's nearly like we're gonna have to pay like for sure $600 for this, which is insane. I thought we actually had savings for once and it's all gone again because of this. I don't know, she's looking at me. She's so cute. I can't just not do that, you know? I can't not get her surgery she needs and her shots. But I think she's kind of more like triggered by humans right now. More scared of humans. Hi! Are you mostly scared of humans? I think she just is mostly scared of humans because the other cats she's really not stressed out by. Like, she'll look at them and sniff them and meow at them, but like she was fighting for her life at the vet. She was fighting for her life. That's valid. I would be scared too if I didn't know what the hell was happening and someone took me somewhere and just started giving me like shots or like feeling me up. Like, that would be scary, so I don't blame her. I felt kind of bad though because like I'm at a point with her that she's not really that comfortable with me either. So even if I were to like, oh yeah, also I used this ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer and the Kimchi foundation, but I'm not at a point with her yet where she's comfortable with me, so I can't even really help hold her down because like she's not gonna like it if I do it either. We're dealing with it. Hopefully I can get her more socialized. But yeah, today I'm going to a party. Two of my friends at work, acquaintances, I don't know if they'd consider themselves to me, so I'm just gonna say co-workers. Two co-workers of mine ended up moving in together into an apartment, so they wanted to do like a what is it, like a welcome party, like a open house, like a yay we have an apartment party. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I'm kind of nervous. I get nervous when I have to go do anything. Like, I feel like socializing is so fucking hard for me, and talking to coworkers outside of work is also really hard for me, like because it's just like I don't know if that makes any sense. I hope that makes some sort of sense. Oh, and this is the Fenty Beauty contour stick. But I don't know, I'm a bit of a little baby when it comes to talking to people, and it's really annoying because I wish that I would just like be able to converse with people, but it's so fucking hard for me. Like, why is it that hard for me to converse with someone? It feels a little silly, you know what I mean? My anxiety, it's not even anxiety. Like, I feel comfortable with all these people. I know that I can like be a human being around these people, but like, how do I talk to them? Like, what am I supposed to say? Do you say like, hello, how are you? I don't know. Comment down below if you also experience this because I want to feel less alone. And I'm sure someone else out there maybe wants to feel less alone too. If anyone's seeing this and relates to it, it's super fun. I basically have gotten down to just saying I have autism at this point just because of the way that I've talked with my therapist and like the things she's said, and she says that it's probably just autism. No, it's probably autism. So I basically am just saying I have autism at this point. I tried to get diagnosed, but this dude, he was not a good psychiatrist because he was just like, oh well, you like seemed normal when you talked to me, and it's like, yeah, because you're one person. I'm one-on-one with one person and I know what I'm there for, and I know, you know what I mean? So it's like really easy for me to be like it's easy for me to mask, I guess is the word that we're using. And like I told him, I was like, because he said like you acted normal, and I said, well yeah, I'm masked, like I'm really good at acting like I don't have autism. And he was just like, autistic people don't do that. And I'm like, are you stupid? Like, I literally think it's a fact that that's what autistic people do. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. But anyways, going back to the point of why I was sitting here spouting about autism, I just don't know how to talk to people sometimes. Like, I don't know what I should and shouldn't be saying, and I don't know like what I should, like, I don't, bruh. Yeah, and then this is the Fenty Beauty powder, and then we're gonna get some blush, I believe. Do I use the same blush palette? What type of blush do I want today? There was a blush blush. Was it this blush? Yeah, I like this blush a lot. I think this was the blush I'm thinking of. It's the Becca blush. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna grab, there's so much cat hair on everything in here now because of Pepperoni. She's so furry. I've never had issues with fur before because I have Rizzy, who's a short hair, Gremlin, who doesn't have all of his fur, and Jupiter, who also doesn't have a lot of fur. So I've been living in bliss as far as cat hair goes, and now we're going ball to the wall. We're going in gay. I don't know. Sorry. I'm just putting this blush kind of on my cheekbones a little bit, and I kind of bring it down a little bit more because I kind of want it to be a little crazy blush. And then I'm putting some on my nose and a little bit underneath my chin. Okay, that's good. I can put that away. And now I'm gonna get a highlighter. I think I'm gonna use the Ofra Cosmetics one because I fucking love it so much. This is the Pillow Talk highlighter. It is definitely my favorite. If you're a pale person and you like doing makeup and you like having a highlight, this is a really good one, I think, because it's so pale. It just looks, I like a good white highlight, like a good, you know, it's a little pinky, but I like the color a lot. Today I really don't want to do lashes. That's like, I don't know why, I just don't want to deal with that right now today. So I'm gonna try and do something. Let's see, what am I thinking? I want to do black in my waterline for sure. I think I have a new eyeliner as well, which I should probably use soon because this is starting to get kind of meh. I think I want to do like a very simple, I don't want to make the like line too thick because I feel like if you make the line too thick and then you put on mascara, it's a little bit more difficult to like see your lashes. But if you make the eyeliner a little bit smaller, your lashes look bigger, so it just kind of works out that way. I'm gonna try and do something like that. Again, I'm sorry I don't have my ring light here. My ring light almost started a fire the other day, so I'm kind of scared of using it right now. And again, I don't have a place to plug it in over here. Again, which is super fun. So I'm really sorry about the really poor lighting. This is what the makeup looks like so far. Sorry, it's also a mess. Okay, I'm gonna try and finish this eyeliner. Oh god, I'm so shaky right now. Okay, yeah, slay. And I'm just gonna then do thin up here. Oh, fuck. I accidentally made it too thick. I didn't want it to be that thick. This one is doing what I wanted it to. The other one is not. Maybe I'll just try to... I need more Q-tips in here, but I keep using the same fucking Q-tip and I think that's kind of gross, but like, what else am I to do, you know? I don't know, maybe bring a Q-tip into your room. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put on some more concealer up there on my eye, hopefully cover it. I also don't want my entire eye to just look like I have eyeliner on my whole eye. Okay, I think I fixed it. I think that was an easy fix. I just have to make sure I don't do it again this time. Okay, I'm gonna try and do the little inner corner thing too. The good thing about the inner corner is it's really easy to fix. There we go. I think I'm okay with it. It's not perfect, but sometimes you just gotta, you know, work with what your shakiness will give you for that day. I'm just gonna do underline to a waterline. I don't know why I said underline. Okay, slay. And then I think I'm gonna use a star stamp. And I'm gonna use those as little eyebrows today because I think it would be cute. Oh, fuck. Okay, I did it. They're kind of not in the right spot. Is it that bad? I'm pleased with how my makeup looks so far. I just gotta do my eyelashes. I will do lipstick too, but I usually prefer doing like putting it on closer to when I'm gonna wear it actually, so I'm not like... I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, which makes me really nervous. My aunt once told me that like she did this, or not that she did it, but like you can get your whole eyelashes ripped out with this thing. That scared me. Eyeliner. I think I said this in my last video, I always get eyeliner, eyeshadow, and mascara mixed up for some reason. I don't know why my brain can't. They're all very different, but they're all eye related, I guess. Yes, slay. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more mascara on that eye. I am then going to fill in this other spot that I kind of missed, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more on this eye for mascara. Sweet, I think I'm pleased with my makeup. Ooh, I could do freckles. Should I do freckles? I don't really know if I'm feeling freckles today. My lopsided stars. I don't know. I know I just said that I don't do lipstick till closer to, and I'm doing it now. Then I'm just gonna put, oh yeah, I used the NYX eyeliner by the way, and a ColourPop mascara. The stars were ColourPop stamps, but I know Milk Makeup has stamps too. I've used those before and I really like them. I like both of the stamps, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna go figure out an outfit. I'm kind of feeling like I want to do something that's like, I want to go because it's summer, so summer comfy, edgy type vibe. I'll come back I think with the outfit because I don't really know how I'm gonna record in my room. We have kind of a weird angle. My room is a mess. I'm aware of it. There's squishmallows everywhere right now. The lighting is awful, but I really think I was thinking about wanting to wear like, you know, like the little like yoga pantsuits where it's like all connected in one. I'm gonna look in my closet and see if I have anything like that. I think I only have one with long pants though, so I'm not. Oh my god, it's so messy. I found this. This is a little like jumpsuit with shorts, which I love, and it has like a, can you see the pattern on it at all? There we go. Pattern. It's vintage. I think it's really cute. I'm definitely gonna get really furry though, so I'll think on this. I think that it would be cute with like a little corset type of deal, but if I have a corset on it, then I can't take it off easily for me when I have to use the bathroom. So that's the predicament that I'm in. I'm gonna set it aside for now and see if I find something else that I like. I think I'm gonna look at my skirts and shorts and see if there's anything in there that I want to wear. I don't really want to wear a dress. I think it's funny that I don't want to wear a dress, but I want to wear something that has like pants connected to it. Okay, I just remembered I have these, which are like shorts but a skirt at the same time. So it's both shorts and a skirt, which is what I was debating between, so I think that would be good. And then I just want to find like a top that would look really cute with it. And I want it to look more alternative. This is going a lot more girly than I thought it was gonna be. I remember I have this top. I think it would be so cute with this. So I think I'm gonna wear that with the skirt. And then I think I'm gonna wear like a black long sleeve underneath, like mesh. I got this one on like Shein so long ago. It's literally falling apart. It's awful. But we're gonna use that. I'm just gonna put that on quick and see how I feel, and I'll meet back with you guys. Put it all on, and it's really cute. I just don't feel like it's all that comfortable. Like the shorts are comfortable, but they're a little bit tight. And then this thing, it just like, it's like, it's not itchy, but it is. And I have no idea how to explain that. So I'm gonna try something different. Let me look in my closet again. I just remember long skirts are a thing. And I think I'm gonna wear this skirt because I think it's really cute. It's like a army green skirt. I think it's cute. And I think, I don't know what to wear with it. But I could do a little shining moment. Shining? Sorry, a little Pennywise moment. What the fuck is wrong with me? I think I'm gonna put that on. I think I could also add like the corset to it to make it more interesting, so give me a second. Okay, so I put the shirt on with the skirt. I guess I should probably show you more of a... I tried to do a corset thing. I did not like how it looked, so I put this little loop on, and I think that looks really cute and it's pretty comfortable. So I think this is the vibe. I just have to do my hair and find like socks that go with it and decide on shoes. Weird spot. Oh my god, I literally am gonna blend in, but this is the fit. I put on some little socks with like the little star dudes, pentagram or is it pentacle? I don't know. But yeah, and this is how I did my hair. I put little clippies in it, and then I'm using a ghost face clip. So I think it kind of matches the spooky theme. But if you watch this video, thank you so much for making it to the end. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite horror movie, please. Slay. And yeah, I'll see you guys around.